So surprisingly, I don't have any kids here to babysit today, which is good and bad, you know, but yeah, I'm gonna take advantage of it. So I got all the girls here and we are going to see if we can start a fire pit and see if we can't cook in it for supper or cook something. Maybe we'll cook a snack. We'll try something. So I'm going to use this as the starter for the fire because this is ragweed and it grows super tall and it grows a lot here.
How?
So inside of these, when they're dry, there's this inside of it and it's like super porous and almost like paper. So it's a really good. Oh wow, it's a really good thing to burn.
Yeah.
So ragweed, it's good to burn and it's very woody. And it takes a minute to burn, but it burns really good. See? Now some of them are have water inside of them, and so those don't make very good fire starters. Yeah, you need to wash your face. So I was somewhat successful. I got some nice coals down in there now. It's hot. It's radiating heat. Oh, that's hot. But the grate is underneath all of it. So now I got to dig it out. Your nails are sharp?
Yeah.
Okay. I did it! Some onions and garlic and salt, pepper, and then I put some everything bagel seasoning in it too because everything bagel seasoning is, you know, it goes with everything.
Mommy, I got
Now, I'm going to put, it's sauteing in olive oil, and then I'm going to get some chicken that's already cut up, and then I'm going to cook it with that, and then I'm going to put chicken broth, and I like things really salty. I guess it's an issue or something because everybody nags on me for how much salt I eat. So, I doubt my husband's going to eat it, so I'm going to put chicken broth, and then probably a extra bouillon cube in it because I like food with a lot of flavor. Come on, Meow Meow. Somebody woke up from nap. It is poop. It'll be okay. Don't touch it. So I'm gonna let that cook until the onions are translucent, and then I'm gonna put the chicken in. Oh, and then to thicken it up, I'm going to try and put instant mashed potatoes in it and see how that does. Because I could put cornstarch in it, but as I said, I want some flavor, even though potatoes really don't have that much seasoning in it. Oh, what happened? Oh my goodness, look at this face. Meow Meow. Did you just wake up? Oh my goodness. She's feeding her candy. Hey, did you guys hear? There is a new virus out. And guess where it is? It's in China. Oh, shocker. It's in China. And supposedly it's like only in rural areas because the virus, Chinese are saying it's a hantavirus, which is I want to say it's like dengue fever and yellow fever and Ebola, I think it is. Wait, no, maybe it's not. Maybe it's the, I don't know. I have to get my story straight first. But anyway, Chinese are saying it's a hantavirus, which is something that's not bad because people can't give it to each other. You can only get it from animals, which is rats, mostly. And then, I got a nasty one right there. And then the U.S., or the CDC, you know how they like, or the Institute of Health. You know how Dr. Fauci likes to not tell the truth about everything. I don't know. They can't seem to get their story straight. So the Institute of Health says it's a new virus, a new, how do you say it? Beignet? Bunya. I must be hungry. I need some beignets. So anyway, they said it's a bunya virus, which I've never even heard of, and it's supposed to be like super nasty and like a 12% mortality rate. So I don't know. Anyway, my thing is that you can't. I don't really trust China all that much, because if it's a hantavirus, there's nothing to worry about. It'll stay localized. But the thing is that they closed down 3 major cities because of it. So if the hantavirus is only like localized to rural areas, why are they locking down 3 cities? And these cities are supposedly like huge cities, like 10 million each population, some even more. I think it's like 13 or 15 million people in one city, and there's 3 of these cities. So I don't know, it just doesn't make sense. So I guess only time will tell what's going on. I'm not worried about it, because I mean, I guess if it started to get closer to home, then I'd probably be worried about it, but as of right now, it's whatever. I'm just gonna keep cooking on a campfire, and I don't hear my onions sizzling anymore. Make sure they're not burning. Anyway, I thought that was crazy. Oh, they're still going good. Yum, yum, yum. Not quite yet. I need to stir it some more, though. This is a great angle for me, isn't it? I want a dinner bell to hang on my back porch. Like a cowbell. Ding, 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 come eat. Anyway, I thought that was fun. We are over the Christmas. Ooh, that's a pretty tree. It's a pretty tree, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, a pretty tree.
That's the longest tree ever.
The longest tree, the top of it got burnt by the snow. Now, I saw it on the internet, which, you know, everybody trusts the internet, that we're supposed to have snow, or the probability of snow, on January the 4th. So, I don't know. We'll see. I looked on I got the Weather Bug app on my phone, and January the 4th is on there, but it doesn't say anything. Like, it's supposed to get cold, but nothing like the snow we saw last year. Hopefully, it doesn't snow. I don't want snow. I live in Texas. I don't want to have anything to do with snow. This last year was awful. It broke the chicken coop, and we had to fix the chicken coop.
Mommy,
What, babe?
this is sour.
Yeah, that's the yellow one. The yellow ones are always sour.
Yeah, I don't.
Give it to Mimo. I don't think she cares. Is that good? No. Anyway, that's pretty. See if I can turn. Isn't that pretty? That's an old dead tree. The base of that tree is huge. And it has been a home to many animals over the years. I've seen squirrels. Look how beautiful. Can you picture Jesus coming through those clouds and be like, hey, come home. Like, sure, let's go.
Yeah, mommy.
So pretty.
I see in my wine.
Yeah. So, anyway, we're just poking around here and relaxing after the Christmas rampage. What'd you get for Christmas, KK?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. What else did you get? What else did you get?
I have a dinosaur.
Is it sour? Is it sour? You're a goober. You're too much like me. Meow meow.
This one. Or this one.
Oh. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. What is that? Okay, what is your New Year's resolution?
I don't know.
You gotta think of it. It's almost New Year's.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah,
Meow, what is your New Year's resolution?
baby dolls.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Baby dolls.
Yeah, remember what baby dolls?
How old are you gonna be?
4.
4. It's a pretty bird.
And remember I'm gonna be 4 days to the die.
It's looking good now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken in it. Yuck. Oh gosh, I just inhaled smoke. I think I haven't really thought about my New Year's resolution. I want to get like fit. You know what I mean? I want to get like buff. Why am I taking my shoes off? Not buff, not like a manly buff, but like a feminine buff, if there is such a thing. I want to get, so, you know, if, you know, something does happen and I have to hold my own against a man or something, because just put it on the side of the trampoline there, because I'm not all that tall and I'm not all that strong either. I mean, when I was working, I was pretty fit because I did a lot of heavy lifting. Uh-oh. Okay, so I put, oh, there, I finally took, okay. So I put the chicken broth, the chicken, and I put some carrots in there too. And I'm going to cover it up and let it do its job. And then we'll check on it in about 5 minutes. I did it! Oh, it's so nice. Ooh, yeah. I might add a little bit more. I might add some water in it. But the carrots are soft. I haven't tasted it. Nice. Look at it. Yeah. Now tell me, that wouldn't be good with some rice or something. I'm so excited. Yay. So this is the potatoes I added. And it looks like it has maybe little chunks of butter in it, maybe. But yay, I'm so excited. Let me smell it. I don't know if I can smell it. I got a lot of smoke in my nose. I've been running away from smoke left and right. And it's not burnt at all. This is so cool. I'm gonna have to do this again. I'm gonna have to use my pan. Oh, maybe beef stew? Yeah. Oh my goodness. I'm getting excited. Oh, this is how I'm gonna cook supper from now on. Pioneer woman. Not the pretty one. The one that looks like this one. So, that is all. I made this, but I'll probably eat it for lunch tomorrow because I promised the girls pizza tonight and they keep asking about it. So you know what? I can't wait until our rabbits have babies. Rabbit stew on the fire. Oh my goodness. Have you ever had rabbit? Rabbit is actually really good. And it's a really good homestead addition to anything. But it wouldn't be good for like your main protein staple, because rabbit doesn't have a lot of fat. Actually, it has like 0 fat. So you would actually lose weight eating just rabbit. So if you want to go on a diet, just eat rabbit. But I did learn that you have to cook it for a really long time, because it's really, really, really tough. And I've eaten it once. It was really good. Got a splinter. Anyway, I'm gonna let this sit and cool down. Probably take it inside so the chickens don't get it. He's spying on me. Anyway, y'all have a great day. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Can't really see me, can you? Sun's falling. Anyway, y'all have a good day, a blessed day, and God is good all the time. And all the time God is good, right? Is that how you say it? Yes. So, y'all do good.